Hello, friends. Mansoor Suhail from My Learning Center welcomes you. What are we going to talk about today? Don't forget offline marketing when launching your business. That's the topic that we're going to talk about today. Here are some tips about offline marketing that you must remember when launching your business. Number 9, get featured in media outlets by sharing articles or insights to your field. Community publications, radio shows, and newspapers are always on the lookout for stories about businesses. This can help you gain visibility and position yourself as a figure in the community. And yes, folks, check out the link in the description to explore the steps for kickstarting your business. Our detailed guide offers a step-by-step approach to initiating your journey. Please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your buddies, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on content that can help broaden your understanding. Thanks for watching.